everybody. First off, I want to thank you guys for watching this video, if you're watching it. I normally don't talk over videos like this because I just like to play the game and focus on it rather than try and do commentary and work on it at the same time. But this video is a little different because for some reason my Hauppauge, I think that's how you pronounce it, the PVR2 Gaming Edition started screwing up and the audio was messed up. So instead of deleting a bunch of footage, about 5 or 6 games worth of footage, I decided to go ahead and do a couple highlight videos. And this is games 2 and 3 against the what are they called? The Blue Wahoos, or I think. Anyway, if you want to know what the sound sounds like, just give me a second and I'll show you. So if anybody's using this setup it's on PlayStation 4, obviously, and you know how to fix it, let me know, because I have like a bunch of videos like this, and I hate to get a whole lot of footage and then not be able to use it. So that being said, I want to go ahead and thank you guys for watching again. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, all that good stuff. It helps the channel out a whole lot. I have 2 other channels, by the way. All that stuff is in the description, along with Twitter and whatnot. Anyway, thanks for watching for the 3rd time, and I'll see you guys in the next video.